In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an address on AliExpress. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to fill out so your orders arrive at the right place every time. Start by opening your favorite web browser and searching for AliExpress. In the results, look for the official site, which should be aliexpress.com. It's a good idea to double-check the URL and the padlock icon in the address bar so you know you're on the real site and not a lookalike. If you see sponsored ads at the top, scroll past them until you find the genuine link. Once you're on the homepage, move your mouse to the top right corner and hover over the account area. Depending on your device, it may show as Account, Sign In, or a small profile icon. When the menu appears, click the Sign In option. Go ahead and log in using your usual credentials. If you're already signed in, you'll see your profile details there instead. Take your time here and make sure you're logging in on a secure connection. After you've signed in, hover over Account again in the top right. From there, head into your account dashboard so you can access your settings. On that page, you'll see a left-hand sidebar with different options. Click Shipping Address. This is where AliExpress keeps all the delivery locations tied to your account, and you can add new ones or manage existing ones. On the Shipping Address page, click the Add a New Address button. A form will open with fields for your delivery details. Enter the recipient's full name exactly as it should appear for delivery. Type the street address, including building, unit, apartment, or floor numbers to avoid confusion. Add the city, select the correct state or province if applicable, and enter the correct postal or zip code. Choose the country or region from the drop-down. You'll also be asked for a contact phone number, which helps couriers reach you if they need delivery instructions. Keep everything clear and consistent, and avoid special characters that might not be recognized by carriers. If the form offers a set as default option, check it if this will be your main delivery location. When everything looks accurate, click Save. You should see your new address appear in the list. From now on, you'll be able to pick it quickly at checkout, and you can return here anytime to edit, delete, or add more addresses as your needs change. That's it. Search for AliExpress, sign in, open your account's shipping address page, add the details, and save. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.